An update on the COVID-19 situation here. 4 new cases were confirmed today, the lowest daily count since March 4th, when 2 cases were reported.
Well, today's count included 1 community case and 1 patient staying in a dormitory. The remaining 2 cases were imported. More details will be shared later tonight.
In other local news, 233 COVID-19 swab samples were accidentally disposed of before they were tested following lapses at a private medical laboratory. The incident happened at Quest Laboratories last Wednesday and was discovered 2 days later when clinics began contacting the lab to ask about the test results for these patients. The lab spokesman noted that no other sample batches were affected and all the samples were disposed of according to COVID-19 safety requirements. As of Sunday, the 87 affected clinics have been informed of the incident and 102 patients have been retested. The results have turned out negative.
Meanwhile, investigations by the lab found 2 compliance lapses in its SOPs involving the handling and disposal of specimens. The first lab relates to the handover of specimens from the courier to the specimen reception staff. This occurred at the same time the lab staff were disposing of old specimens. As a second lapse, lab staff were disposing of specimens in the specimen reception area, leading to the erroneous disposal of the untested batch.
Singapore and Indonesia will open a reciprocal green lane with applications starting on October 26. The eligible applicants are Indonesian citizens as well as Singapore citizens and residents. They'll have to abide by the COVID-19 health measures mutually agreed upon by both countries, including pre-departure and post-arrival COVID-19 swab tests from mutually recognized health institutions. Now, more details will be announced in due course.
More than 900 seats that were available for Singapore Airlines' A380 restaurant dining experience were sold out within 30 minutes after bookings opened earlier today. Customers who were unable to make a reservation after 12:30 a.m. were invited to join a wait list, which has since also been closed. An SIA spokesman told the Straits Times that SIA will reopen the wait list on chrisshop.com for a limited time from 6 p.m. later for interested customers. Those on the wait list will be contacted if there is additional availability.
To minimize the risk of a COVID-19 resurgence, the Building and Construction Authority employs a team of 200 officers whose job is to visit work sites regularly, checking if they're correctly implementing safe management measures.
They are part of Singapore's so-called anti-COVID-19 army, making sure the country doesn't suffer a new wave of infections at construction sites where large numbers of migrant workers are employed.
Examples of good safe management measures include safe entry by scanning their NRIC or the Trace Together app, ensuring that the workers are healthy by checking the access code that is green, and also they are in the BCA's approved list. So in this sites, we have seen a camera recognition system that takes the temperature as well as registering the workers to see if they are in the approved workers list. We see on their helmets, there are different color stripes that will provide a very quick and easy identification by the safe management officers and the safe distancing officers to ensure that the workers stay in the zone. There are also shared facilities such as rest areas, but these facilities are demarcated properly, and there are also segregated timings for the workers or different teams to have their lunch and their breaks.
So far, BCA has handed out some 170 stern warnings and about 70 safety timeouts, but no stop work orders have been issued. Construction sites with inadequate safe management measures have dropped from 10% in August to about 8.5% now.